Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad 530s and unplug it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 8 screws, keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. After removing the back panel, locate the battery. It's the large rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's wise to touch a metal surface to discharge any static electricity from your body. If you're unsure about handling electronics, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Use the spudger to gently lift the connector out of its socket. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Set the old battery aside. Take your new battery and align it with the screw holes in the chassis. Secure it by replacing the screws you previously removed. Next, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's seated firmly in place. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we provide a pickup and delivery service at your home, making it easier for you. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components, such as the fan and heatsink, using compressed air. This helps improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Be gentle while cleaning to avoid damaging any components. Now, you can replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, use the Phillips head screwdriver to reinsert all screws you removed earlier. Once you've secured the back cover, flip the laptop back over. Plug in your laptop and power it on. Check that the battery is recognized by the system and that it charges correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the cost up front. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad 530s. If at any point you felt unsure about the process, don't hesitate to reach out for help. With our no calls, no travel promise, we make it easy for you to get assistance right at your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.